Hello friends, I am Priya Agrawal and I welcome you all in my YouTube channel. So friends, today in this video we are going to learn how to create a simple sheet metal part with the help of SolidWorks. So let's get started. So for this friends, first we'll take a new part. Here friends, select part and then click OK. Friends, if in your toolbar sheet metal is not there, then you just need to do right click on the bar and here click on tab. Then from here you can select sheet metal. If I uncheck this, then you can see metal has gone from my toolbar. So if you go there and here click on sheet metal, then sheet metal will start displaying here. So friends, let's start. So for first creating this, you will have to click on wedge flange. So from here click on wedge flange, then here select a plane. When you click on wedge flange, it will tell you to select a plane. So from here you can select a plane like I have selected front plane. So here we will start creating our sketch. So for that, left click on line, then hit sketch. Like create a line like this up to here, then here, then here. Now we will relations. So friends, for that, select these two lines and give relation perpendicular. Similarly, select these two lines also and give relation perpendicular. Now select these two lines and give relation perpendicular like this. So friends, first of all, like change your dimensions to mm. So from here you can select mmgs. Now we will again have to go to sketch again. So friends, now let's give dimensions. So friends, this distance is given as 10 mm. This distance is also equal to 10 mm. Give relation and make these 2 points horizontal. Give relation horizontal because we want these 2 points on the same line. And now give last dimension of 100 mm like this. Now friends, here hit a center line but we want to give relation symmetric. So for giving symmetric relations, select these three lines and give relation symmetric. So friends, see now our sketch is. Now friends, select the arc. From here you can take a arc and get an arc like this. First, after taking arc, first click on this line, then this line, and click here anywhere on screen. Then exit the arc. Now friends, let's give dimension. So dimension of this arc is 20 mm. Radius is 20 mm. And onside this center point and our origin should be at the same point. So select these 2 points and give relation coincident. Now friends, we want to trim these two lines. For that, go on trim entity and select power trim and trim like this. Now friends, see our sketch relations have been removed. Some sketch relations have been removed and now our sketch is. For that, I will create two center lines like this and this center line also I will move up to here. This. So friends, relation here friends is an collinear and take this point to our origin. Take these 2 points and give relation coincident. Friends, see now our sketch has again become fully defined. Now we will here click on exit sketch and here click on base flange and then select this sketch. So friends, from now let's give some dimensions. So we want to extrude length up to 70 mm. So here select 70 mm like this in opposite direction. Now, here friends, in gauge sheet metal parameter, you can see thickness. This thickness is given as 2 mm. So we also want 2 mm. So we 2 mm, and bend radius is also 2 mm. So we also want this same. So we will not do any change in this. Keep it like this. And see, this is thickness is going outward. Like if I click on this, then it will go inside. Sketch, friends. This thickness is going inside. If I am clicking on this, like this. So friends, now we will here click right. See. Now friends, we want to create this structure, this H flange. So for this, from here we will select H flange and select the edge. Like you can select this edge and move it upward. Now friends, we will here select some property like flange length. So we want inner virtual shaft. So here we will click on inner virtual shaft. Then for flange position, we'll create material outside. Because we want material to go outside. So here we will select material outside. Then here in relief type, we want rectangular relief. Like you can see here, three types of relief are there. Here, uh, here rectangle or round. And here we want rectangle. So we will select rectangle relief. And we want rectangle width of 2 mm. So here we will give 2 mm, and depth also we want up to 2 mm. So width is 2 mm and depth is also 2 mm. And now we will edit this sketch. Since here, move it like this. And here we want to create a point arc. So click on 3 point arc, select this, and click on this point, and this point. So where our center of arc has come on this line. This radius of this arc is 10 mm. And friends, here is a hole of 5 mm. The arc. So we that hole, and this hole is of 5 mm. And this center from this line is given as 14 mm. And center from the outer edge, this edge is given as 22 mm. Here we will write 22. You can see now our sketch is full. We will trim some dimensions, some lines like this. So here click on trim entity and trim like this. From here also friends trim. So friends see now our sketch is fully. So click on back from here. So friends, here our sketch and each flange is ready. So now simply click on right. From here select the rectangle in custom relief type. And here friends give width of 2 mm and depth also of 2 mm. Then see, when I am giving this weight, it is increasing. Like this weight is this. So if I enter 5 here, you can see this distance has increased. If I am again changing this, and if I increase this distance, relief depth. If I change this, then what will happen? So I put 10 here, then it's going in the back direction. So it is the relief distance. So again here give two dimension, 2 mm of dimension. Then from here click right. Okay friends, so our edge flange is created. Now we want to create a hole here. For that, go on the sketch and select this plane. Now select the circle. Dimension of the circle is given as 5 mm. So here the circle is of 5 mm. Now we will locate this circle. From here, and from here, this circle is at a distance of 50 mm. And from this edge, this circle is at a distance of 14 mm. So our sketch has become fully. Now we will simply cut command, create a hole. So after selecting extrude cut, select this sketch which is already selected. Now simply from here click right. So friends, our two features have been created. Now we want to mirror this. We want this feature to be here, here, and here. So first what we will do, we will select mirror command, then we will select our feature like this and this. And now friends here we will select plane about which we want to mirror our features. So here friends select right plane. So friends see, here our feature has been mirrored. Friends here I am going to do a change for my each. So here friends, instead of blind, select mid plane like this. For it will help us to mirror easily. So again choose mirror. So friends here, select front plane and now select features to mirror. So we want to mirror our mirror 1. So here I have selected mirror 1. Then here from here click on right. So friends see, our all the features have been mirrored. Now friends, we want to create two holes here. So for that, first of all, we will make this flat. Because if we make a whole feature here like this, then some distortions will be there. So first of all, we will have to unfold it. So from here, friends, select sheet metal. Then from here, friends, select the unfold. Click on unfold, then select the face. I am selecting this face. Now from here, select on select all bends. So now all the bends have been selected, and when I will click on right, this will get unfolded like this. Now friends, we will sketch on this plane 8 slots. Let's simply go on the sketch and then select this plane. So friends, first of all, I am going to create here two center lines. So from here, this point to this point in horizontal direction, and one from here to here. Now friends, I will create rectangles. So dimension of our rectangle is 15 mm and 12 mm. So here create a rectangle. Let's give dimension. This length is given as mm and this length is given as 12 mm. And now friends, create let's add 3-point arc and create two arc here. Now friends, click on 3-point arc and create a arc here and here. like this. And dimension of this arc is 7.5 mm. And these two arcs are of equal dimensions. So here give it an equal. Yes, like this. From this edge, this dot is at distance of 15 mm. Difference. Now our sketch of slot is fully defined. Now we will mirror this about this center line. So from here, select mirror entity, and here select entities to mirror. So now here select this sketch, and now here select mirror about select the line about which you want to mirror this sketch. So this is the center line which we select, and now here click on right. You can see our sketch of slot has been created. So from now here features, select the extruded cut and select these sketches. Selected contours, select this, this, this area, and this area, this area, and this area. So friends, see now our slots also have been created. Now we will unfold it. I mean fold it back to the original. So from here, click on fold. After fixed face already selected. Now bend to unfold. So here select on collect all bends. So it has automatically taken all the bends. Now from here click on right. So friends see. Now our model has been folded again. Now our part has been completed. Friends see. Like this you can create a C. So friends, I hope you have understand how to create a C part with the help of SolidWorks. So if you understand it well, like it, then please like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching my video.